They're real easy to get. So you ain't got no excuses from lemons. This came right off my tree. So I got them right there in the front. I have no excuse. So lemons are hard to get yourself a bag of lemons and you pretty much, you done and you straight. This is not for taste. This is not for the purpose of you trying to feel good. Oh, I don't like the way it tastes. Oh my God. Get it down fast. It ain't for you. It's for your kidneys. Your kidneys need it really, really bad. It's going to break up. It's going to actually reduce the crazy levels of creatine inside what they test for. It's going to break up those crystals that turn into kidney stones. It's going to actually optimize the cells inside and outside your kidneys. It's going to make them really strong again. It's going to repair the damage that you've already done from just eating just the laced poison that they give us. Okay, that the body has to filter out. Let me tell you what this actual kidney does. Some of y'all don't know. Okay, what is the kidney's job? The kidney's job is to what? Throughout the day, the kidneys are continuously filtering blood, removing waste products and balancing fluids and electrolytes. They work as a two-step process. First, they filter blood throughout millions of neurons, retaining necessary components in your body, letting waste pass through. And then they absorb what? Benefits, substance, and send waste to the expel through your urine. Okay. Beyond filtering, kidneys regulate your blood pressure, make red blood cells, and activate one more time, and activate vitamin D to be strong in your bone. Y'all didn't know that, huh? Yeah. You got to know the power of the kidneys. You didn't know that the kidneys on top, the glands sitting on top of the kidneys, their job is to make sure when women go through menopause, they didn't tell you? When women go through menopause and now it's looking for the actual balance of your hormones to make sure your estrogen and your testosterone is not in balance, and the body's looking for actual some type of what is it called, calcium, and it strips it out of your joints, and you have knee issues, you have hip issues, you have joint issues. You wondering why your body's doing it, because your body's looking and searching and seeking when you doing menopause is looking for vitamin D. They didn't tell you that, huh? But they'll put you on some type of hormone therapy. Take your butt outside. And if you can't get outside, take a pill. Yeah, I can't even hold it up here. Take a pill. Take a vitamin D pill. You know, and with women going through that, I already put a video up there that if I was going through what you were going through, it would be 20,000 plus daily. And what I'm not going through, what you're going through, what I do daily is 10,000 daily. They don't tell you that. But yes, this is what the kidney's job is. So when you're not outside getting everything that the sun will give you, your body's looking for vitamin D, especially kidneys. The kidneys will check with the livers and say, hey, you got any vitamin D in there? Because I'm filtering everything. I can't find no vitamin D. The liver will say, yeah, no, I don't, man. I don't have none. Well, get it from somewhere, because we struggling over here. Okay, so just keep in mind, if your blood can't filter and you're not stable, best believe you're going to have an issue with your eyes. You're going to have issues with your lungs. You're going to have issues with the glands that's sitting on top of your kidneys. You're going to have issues with your thyroid, your parathyroid. You're going to have issues with your glands that's in your brain. You're going to have issues with your memory. Your pineal gland that's calcified, you're going to have issues with that still. Okay, you're going to have issues with your pancreas. You're going to have issues with your liver. You're going to have, what the hell? I'm going to have issues. You're going to have issues with your digestive tract, your large and your small. You're going to have issues with your colon. You might even come down with the big C. Cancer. You're going to come down with 1, 2, 3, or 4. And you're going to wonder why. All because of your kidneys. Huh? So protect your kidneys. They waiting for you to fail. They got something for you. They got you covered. I ain't mad at those that got to be on some dialysis. You got to do what you got to do. But god damn, man. Just regulate information. And also the kidneys regulate your pH level. Did you know that? What? Let me say it again. Other functions that the kidneys do. It regulates your blood pressure control, red blood cells, bone health. That's the kidney's job. And your what? pH level. So if you're trying to make sure you alkaline in your body or neutral, slightly above 7.2, 7.4, that's what the body prefers, the blood. And only one thing that's alkaline high all the time, and that's the pancreas. Everything else love to be slightly alkaline. You can't be too alkaline. You can't be too acidic. The body wants to be slightly alkaline. But the reason why Dr. Saber was so on point telling you to be alkaline, because most of y'all living in an acidic environment. And you don't even know how to actually raise your alkalinity to be healthy again. And once you be healthy again, now you can taper it down to be slightly alkaline and you be good. Okay, most people can't discipline themselves, but that's what the kidneys do. It actually regulates your pH. It helps maintain your blood's pH balance by removing excess acidic. So if you're not going to help it out, who ain't? So if you want to keep eating trash, I'm not recommending that you do, but at least have yourself a cleanse twice a year. Could you at least press 3 if you can at least do that for you? Not for me, and tell somebody else. Press 3 if you can at least do that for you. So we gonna do this challenge. I want to, and after the people press 3, press 5 for those individuals that's willing to do this challenge for the next 2 weeks. I want you to take 6 days for yourself and your kidneys to cleanse. Pick any one that you wrote down, because we educate people around here. Okay. So press 5 if anybody's willing to cleanse their kidneys. I just want you to do it one time to show you how easy it is. And if you want to get through it fast, appreciate the 5s. Good looking. I'm not by myself. This is not in vain. So anybody that actually is a boss around here, you know, I'm kind of sometimes get on like that, but I'll knock them out in 6 days straight, 10 days straight. I'll do this process. Okay. I'll sometimes get in my head, let me get this over with. So, because it is a value when you literally do it every morning, first thing when you get up in the morning, but you don't have to. This is a sleeper, that how to get your kidneys optimized in literally 24 to 48 hours. Some people, when they want to skip and they don't want to take too long, they'll do something like this 6 times, 12 to 16 ounces, 6 times in one day. If they trying to make sure they take care of some gallstones and they get the kidneys in optimized states, they'll do this 6 times for 2 days. That's the aggressive way. And you'll get the kidneys just like, ooh. They'll be so happy. Yes, you're going to be urinating a lot, but that's your kidney saying, I appreciate you. Thank you. I got you when it comes to your blood. I got you when it comes to your blood pressure. I got you when it comes to the kidneys. I got you with the crap that you be eating, your bacon and your cheese and your dairy. I got you with the mucus. I got you. I appreciate you helping me out. That's all it is. And I appreciate you guys tonight for listening and paying attention and taking some notes. This is what I do. I like to come and drop some gems on. And I want you to don't be no gatekeeper. I want you to run tell that, because this is the times that we're living in that we can no longer natural healers. Anybody that got financial advice, anybody got advice when they're dealing with households, anybody that's don't understand that the actual king and the queen, I don't care what color you are, supposed to stay together, pray together, and live together. Don't understand that they trying to attack every portion of your life. And anybody that already has a number that knowledge on that should not be gatekeeping and selling it. You should literally tell it free, because people are not going to be able to make it out. And before they literally try to actual silence me, already got me a strike right now. And I see it coming in the future that I won't be able to speak like Rizza and like other ones, great ones that was telling the truth. Soon they will clip my voice. But y'all can use AI and y'all can just replay mine and make them over and over again. That's why I'm making these videos. Information will never die. And I want to make sure it gets in the homes. So anybody that want to skip past, I do have on sale a God Body Masterclass. So it's pretty much what a lot of doctors can't tell you. They can't tell you. I actually did a webinar on this bad boy for about 4 hours. So it's pretty intense, but it's on sale until the first of the year. Okay, so if you want to get that right now before the first of the year, have at it, because according to you guys' rules, I am black owned. So you don't probably be buying nothing right now, but I know it's a struggle. I know y'all in the back right there didn't already spent some stuff, and you already got your gifts. You try to take full advantage of this Black Friday. Couldn't believe when everybody was telling me, you don't supposed to buy nothing for Black Friday, man. That's when the discounts is. I've been waiting on this. Anyway, since I made it, I might as well drink it, even though it's not on an empty stomach. Easy peasy. Lemon squeeze it. It ain't that serious. It's not that serious. Take care of your body so it can take care of you. Okay. On that note, you guys, y'all have yourself a good night. Enjoy the game. All right. Peace. Somebody said, nope, delete that Black Friday. Every email she got, she wasn't even trying to do that. Wow.
Hands down, the black woman is the most beautiful species on the face of the planet Earth. There ain't nothing on earth better than a black woman. From the beginning, yeah, God gave you to me, but I took it for granted. Ignoring all the pain I put you through. I could never tell you how much I appreciate what you do. Oh, you're so incredible.